Namaskar, Sujata here for News Plus Views. Today we are at the HT Mira Asset Conference Point and we have with us Miss Anusha Krishna Prasad. She will be telling us about invest. She's an investment consultant and she will be telling us how to invest, where to invest, how safe it is, how safe it is, secure it is. So we have Miss Anusha Krishna Prasad. Please, ma'am.
Hi, good morning, guys. I am Anusha and I have about 20 years of banking experience. I am currently working as a freelance financial planner, investment consultant, and I also advise on various asset classes. So, to begin with, today we are in an event of HT Mint on mutual fund awareness, investor awareness program for women. So, let me just tell you for both. Like when you are investing, what exactly you should look for. Now, I was just discussing with Sujata a couple of minutes before. So, she was asking about the share market. So now I would suggest that if you want to invest in the share market, and if you're going to be earning money on a daily basis, you want to be a trader, then you should have that kind of time. You should be able to invest that kind of time on a daily basis, wherein you are able to check the price and when to buy, when to exit, or else you will lose the movement, and then that could result in losses. The better thing would be to invest in a good company, good stock, and just leave it for a couple of years, which will build wealth for you. On the other side, people who are not so savvy or tech savvy, or who cannot find time on a daily basis to invest in the share market, the better option for them is mutual funds. Mutual fund we have all types of mutual funds for different appetite of investors, right? So we have equity based funds, we have debt based funds, we have balanced funds. So what I do in an investment planning session, financial planning session, is when I sit with a potential client or a prospective customer, I first we discuss and we analyze through a questionnaire and find out what is the risk appetite of the investor, right? So if the risk appetite is high, we could suggest some funds which is giving them better returns, a little high risk and a high return. We also have funds which is moderate risk, moderate return, and we also have funds which is low risk, but the returns are also very safe and guaranteed. So if I have to classify mutual funds into different categories, we have large cap funds. Under equity funds, we have large cap funds, we have mid cap funds, we have small cap funds, we also have multi cap funds, we have we have multi-asset funds in which we are exposing the risk to different asset classes like gold, equity, debt, and we also have something in cash. Uh, we also have hybrid funds, which is a combination of debt and equity, balanced funds. So there are more than 1200 mutual funds in the industry today. So which is the right one for you? That is something we have to analyze and then we have to suggest it for you, right? So investment planning is not only mutual funds or equity, it is also about what kind of term insurance you have, what is the kind of health insurance you have. Because if you don't have a health insurance and if there is unfortunately any ailment, whatever you have saved will just get washed away and it will go towards your health expenses, right? So it is very important to have cover your risk, hedge your risk, also invest. So under that we do retirement planning, we do children's education planning, and we do your vacation planning. Okay, and so these are the various ways. So thank you so much, Sujata, for giving me this opportunity today. And I will be more happy to, if anybody would like to connect with me for a free investment planning session, I'll be more than happy to connect with you. My contact number is 8104 765 225. Thank you so much. Good day.
Thanks, Anusha, for brief introduction. I will be coming later again for the more information, more detailed information for our audience. Thanks. So,